That's a wonderful question to reflect on. Without a doubt, the most memorable getaway that instantly springs to mind is a journey I took roughly a month ago to Pokhara, an exceptionally picturesque lakeside city that proudly serves as the capital of Gandaki Province. I set off on this adventure accompanied by two of my absolute closest childhood companions. Honestly, trying to coordinate our lives had been an absolute nightmare for months because we were all utterly swamped with our hectic daily schedules. However, we finally managed to align our free time. While some people strongly advocate for solo travel to seek introspection, I firmly believe that sharing these raw, thrilling milestones with lifelong friends creates an entirely unparalleled bond. As for our itinerary, we filled our days with a brilliant blend of enjoyable and heart-pounding outdoor activities. On the one hand, we spent our initial mornings feeling incredibly serene while enjoying peaceful boat rides across the mirror-like waters of Phewa Lake. On the other hand, we quickly shifted gears to satisfy our inner thrill seekers with ziplining. The absolute pinnacle of the trip was conquering the bungee jump instead of feeling terrified. Taking that leap filled me with an overwhelming sense of pride in my own energetic vitality. Ultimately, this holiday holds a special place in my heart because it provided a profound psychological release and left me with a deep sense of immense gratitude.